And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Hope everybody is having a fantastic weekend today. Happy Saturday, everyone. In today's stream, we're going to be taking a look at the sticker capsules. And in particular, we're going to be taking a look at 2 sticker capsules, actually 3, and figuring out whether or not they are worthy investments. What sticker capsules am I talking about? I'm talking about the regular sticker capsule and the sticker capsule 2. We're going to be discussing all of that and more, so if you're interested, do me a favor guys, hit the like button on your way in, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let's get the show started. Real quick though, before we start, I do want to shout out the Patreon. We are growing, we have 63 members now, constantly growing. Big community. If you want to join the private Discord server with the hundreds, almost thousands of members, either through the YouTube channel memberships or through the Patreon, link is in the description. I will be posting some more behind the scenes content this weekend, giving you guys some more ideas on what I'm personally looking at in terms of investments. So if you're interested in any of the items I'm buying or the stuff I'm looking at, the Patreon is in the description. That being said, guys, let's hop right into it. Let me pop out the chat and say hello to you beautiful people. Happy Saturday. Are you invested in sticker capsules? Yes or no? View, welcome to the stream. Hello, what's up everyone? Love the channel. Ty Beeson, thank you so much, man. Really do appreciate you coming out. We got a couple subs here, a couple members. It's Vibes became a tier 2 member. There's going to be a tier 2 video out later tonight. So if you're interested in some exclusive content, behind the scenes videos, I will be posting them later tonight. Now, why are we talking about sticker capsule 2, chat? So the topic of today's stream, it's going to be a shorter stream than usual, not as much Q&A. I kind of want to just get in and get out and give you guys the content. Can you invest in sticker capsules? And in the sticker capsule 2, or the community sticker capsule. So what am I talking about here? So we actually have these sticker capsules, they're called, that contain these very old stickers. Now these things were added to the game many moons ago. It was a very long time ago when these capsules were added to CSGO, one of the first of their kind. They were added as part of an update in February 2014, guys. These stickers predate Cato 14 stickers, believe it or not. They came out before the Cato stuff. So that's actually pretty nutty if you ask me. So the question is, can you invest in them? And I'm gonna try my best to answer that question and give you guys a couple of pros and cons to investing in them, and then I'm gonna let you guys formulate your decision. If you look at the volume of the sticker, okay, so I guess let's start from the beginning. So why invest? So why invest? Rarity, old collector's items. That's one thing. Another reason why you'd want to invest is they are cyclical in nature. What do I mean by that? When I say cyclical in nature, I'm talking about they have ebbs and flows. They have periods where they go up and they got periods where they go down. They're very demand driven. They don't always rise, only risers like Cato 14 is, or any of the other majors. They don't only rise. So they're very cyclical in nature. So if you can time a bottom or get in at a low enough price and you hold them long enough, there's a chance that you can make some good profit. Another reason is, again with the cyclical, I guess we'll make it a sub bullet, is seasonality. So right now, CS2 is right around the corner. And there has been some speculation that these capsules may get removed from the game. Now, not entirely these capsules in particular, because these capsules function a little bit different from the typical capsules you see in the in-game store. Normally, when you have capsules, they usually come in the flavor of, like, you can buy them from the in-game store, you open up the game, and you can buy as many as you want. These ones are a little bit different. They are hard to get. They are rare drops, believe it or not. You get them in drops. I'll be honest with you, I haven't seen them dropped in years. I haven't seen anybody get them, so they seem pretty rare to me. That being said, they are very old and they're still dropping. So there's definitely that to look forward to. Now, I'll be honest with you, chat, this sticker capsule is only $1, pretty cheap. If I were focusing my, money, I would probably be focused on the sticker capsule 2. Why? Because it contains the crown foil, $1,000 sticker, right? And it contains the stupid banana, which, well, I'll be honest with you, $62 for the stupid banana is pretty darn stupid. If you look at that, you'll see how cyclical it is. You have this huge spike, then demand goes down, you accumulate when nobody's touching it, it spikes again, you start selling at the spike, demand goes back down, you accumulate, it spikes, and now we're in a bit of an accumulation phase. So slowly rising, I would say now is the time to be buying if you want the next leg up. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just me giving you guys, a synopsis of why invest in these capsules because of these hype storms, whatever you want to call it. And obviously because it has the crown foil, one of the most popular stickers in CSGO. Everybody has heard or has seen the crown foil. So yeah, investing in the capsule that the crown foil is found in is probably a smart decision. So yeah, and then good stickers inside. So, okay, so that's why we're investing. The whole premise is you want to buy low when nobody is buying and sell high when everyone is buying or talking about these stickers. So please make that crystal clear. If you're gonna be buying the stickers or the capsules, you wanna buy when nobody's touching them, nobody's talking about them, and that's when the smart money comes in. Silently, we come in, we buy a little bit, and then the next spike up, that is when we cash out. As you can see here, we're looking at the the chart of the sticker capsule too. And if you look here, you have periods of, spikes, then dips, you accumulated 5, spikes again to 18, you sell, goes back down to 7, you buy, you accumulate 7, 8, 9, spikes back up to 30, 32, you sell, goes back down to 13, you buy, and same thing. The same pattern continues. Most recent one hit a new all-time high. That's when you probably should have cashed out. And now we are looking like in a period of accumulation in the low 20s. You pick some up at the low 20s. Next time it spikes up to 40, 30, whatever you consider cashing out. Now, this is not supposed to be a core investment, ladies and gentlemen. I want to make this crystal clear. Please note, this should not be a core investment. What do I consider a core investment? I'm talking about major sticker capsules, major stickers, souvenir packages. These are limited time only items that are only in the game for a couple of months and then bam, they're gone, never to be added ever in CSGO again. So you invest whenever there's a major, like a sticker sale, you invest then. That should be a core position, meaning you buy low because you know this is going to be the lowest point that these capsules, these stickers are ever going to be. In this particular case, there's no guarantee that this is the absolute low. What if CS2 comes out and, skin prices start crashing and they go back down to sub 20, maybe they go to 15. You have to be prepared to weather the storm and maybe buy a little bit more, double down and buy more when the price dips, because you're waiting for the next leg up, the next spike. These are very volatile, pretty volatile, nothing too crazy. They don't change daily, but they will change, monthly, I would say. That being said, this should not be a core investment. Your core investments are your major sticker capsules, your major stickers, your souvenir packages, and also your operation items, whether that be cases, stickers, skins, agents, what have you. Operation items and major tournaments are your bread and butter. That is where you make the bulk of your money investing. And then this is a speculative non-core investment, meaning you probably put less than 5% of your net worth or portfolio into these items. So for example, if I were to invest in the sticker capsule 2, I'm probably only going to buy like 10 or 20 of them, right? So I'm not going to spend too much money into them. Yes, I'm probably not going to, get the highest level of return. Obviously, the more money you put in, the more potential to make more money. But it's I don't want to overextend myself. I don't want to, the last thing you want to do is park your money here. Like you go all in on these capsules and then have to wait years before we get another spike or demand boom, whatever you want to call it. So again, it's risky in the sense that we don't know when the next spike will be. We don't know if the next spike will be in a year. Will it be in 2 years, 1 year, 3 years? We don't know how long it's going to take. Right now it looks juicy, but again, a lot can happen between now and then. So what I would say is if you're interested in an investment that is off of its all-time highs, looks like it's troughing a little bit, maybe consider setting some buy orders for some sticker capsule 2s at, you know, the high teen digits or the $20 mark and go from there. I would prefer sticker capsule 2 over the sticker capsule 1 because it contains the crown foil and has better looking stickers, but that's just a personal preference. You can do both and both will do pretty well. If one goes up, the other tends to follow. Not perfectly, but definitely tends to follow that. Let's see here. We got a new member. We got a new channel member, M. Thank you so much for becoming a channel member. Guys, hit the sub button. We got a lot of new subs. Dr. Potato, Theo King, Ragdoll, Dustin M. Lucas became a tier 3 channel member. Thank you so much, man. Tasis Gaming and Bonbon. Thank you guys so much for becoming channel members. Hey, Fano. Hey, profit and reinvest next major operation or major. Exactly. You sound like Twist. Okay, cool. We're gonna do a little bit of Q&A at the end, guys, so please bear with me. I want to get through this lecture real quick. So, okay, so can you invest in the sticker capsule 2? We went through that. You buy low, you sell high, you try to look at the charts and you know, time your entry points. Where do you buy them? I would say you can get them off of Buff, you can get them off of third-party sites. Where to buy? Steam market buy orders, third-party sites like Buff or Skinport or any other sites that you guys use. Trading, you can trade for them. You can cash trading, you can buy them off of people with cash, PayPal, what have you, depending on if they're reputable. There's tons of places where you can buy them from. I would say that usually Steam and Buff are the most popular places where these things tend to stonk. So like if the stupid banana sticker starts stonking, you generally see the price on Steam explode. You see the price on Buff go higher. I mean, look at this, chat. Look at this. 1,000 were sold at $55. That's actually crazy. Yeah, these capsules are the real deal. They are hard to get. They are not dropping frequently. And yeah, why invest? Because they're rare and hard to get. If you believe that they're going to get discontinued once CS2 comes out, I personally don't think that's going to happen, but there's always the chance. So you buy during the low periods, which is around now, and you hold on to it for a decent amount of time, and then you cash out. But the thing is, though, this is not a passive investment. I want to make it crystal clear, not a passive investment. What's a passive investment? I'll give you some examples of passive investment. Cobblestone souvenir packages. That's a passive investment. You buy it once, you forget about it for a couple of years, and you're super happy. It just keeps rising. Another passive investment would be like a Cattle 14 sticker capsule. Cattle 14 capsules. Those are passive investments. Another passive investment could be an AWP Dragon Lore, I would say, is a passive investment. It's never coming back, very rare, highly sought after skin. This is just some examples of a passive investment, chat. You just buy it once and the price just keeps rising. Now, some would argue that the Dragon Lore isn't really passive because, yeah, it has its fluctuations. It's a skin. You can use them and you can get new ones through trade-ups. I would say it's not at the same level of these two, but it's still close. So this item, these capsules, they're not passive at all. You have to monitor them. I don't want to say daily, but you really do want to get notified of when they do spike. Thankfully for you, ladies and gentlemen, I have you guys covered. If you follow me on Twitter, you will get pretty much all the headlines you need. Like if they start stonking, I will make a tweet about it. For those of you that don't know, fano Csgo on Twitter. Shameless plug, I know, but I tend to do a lot of CSGO investing posts on my Twitter account. You guys should definitely follow there. I talk about different stickers, different investment opportunities, what's happening on, in the markets, and I tend to follow the headlines there. So if you're interested in any of that, fano Csgo is the Twitter account to follow, and I will let you guys know. You guys can just turn on notifications, and when it starts stonking, I will notify you guys. Let's see here. Sticker capsule 2. Yep. So you accumulate when it's super low, and then you sell when it is super high. It's not a passive investment. Check the price daily, chat, because look at this. If you look at this spike here, you'll look that it slowly was rising here in May. This was many years ago, and then suddenly on May 30th or 31st, it went up from 31st one day, June 1st second day, June 2nd third day, June 3rd fourth day, and then it peaked on the fourth day. and then it started crashing back down after the 4th day. So if you missed those 4 days, if you were on vacation, if you were not at your computer, if you were not paying attention, you missed out on the road up, and you're gonna have to, you know, sell on the way back down, which obviously is not ideal. You want to cash out, sell a little bit on the days leading up to it. It's not an exact science. You have to check the price daily, sell little by little on the spikes, set sell orders. So for example, what I mean by set sell orders is you buy, you buy them at $20, then you can say list one sticker at $30, one sticker at $33, one sticker at $35, etc., etc. Again, these are just examples. If you buy like 5 of them, 10 of them, you can list them at like intervals of $2, $3, $4, and you don't have to do it this way. This is just one strategy, just so that you can ensure that you don't miss it in case you don't pay attention to the market dynamics. This would be a good strategy, setting the sell orders. And again, if you're using the Steam market, it's very, very easy to do so. Okay, now, what would you recommend me craft on the atomic alloy? There's tons of good ones. Take a look at Rio Fanatic hollows and scratch them. The hollows in Rio look really good scratched. You don't even have to scratch it. Okay, so yeah, check the price daily, sell little by little on the spikes, and set your sell orders. Okay. Is there anything else I'm missing on these capsules? Now, one more capsule that I said I was going to talk to you guys about was the community capsule, guys. So this community capsule was actually released. Whoops, this is the 2018 one. That's not the right one, chat. It's this one, Community Capsule 1. It's the red one. This one is also a droppable item, meaning you get this from a drop. It is super hard to unbox. Note the stickers found have changed. So some of them, okay, so this was the capsule that contained the Harp of War, King on the Field, Wing Diffuser, Howling Dawn. This is another example, chat, of a pretty passive investment, I would say. Discontinued skins and stickers. So what I mean by that is, or actually no, not discontinued isn't the right word, contraband. Contraband is the right word. So for example, the M4 HAL, passive investment. Yes, the price can fluctuate because it is a skin after all, right? But contraband in the sense that like you cannot get any new ones. You can't dupe them anymore, and you can't unbox them anymore. You can't use them in trade or get them in trade ups. So like the supply is finite, right? So M4 HAL contraband, and then these stickers like King on the Field, that's a contraband sticker. Harp of War, that's a contraband sticker. Howling Dawn, that's a contraband sticker. Wing Diffuser, it used to be in this capsule and then they got rid of it. So if you look at it, here's the Wing Diffuser, it's a $1,000 sticker. If you look at King on the Field, it's a $1,300 sticker. Harp of War, $1,300 sticker. Howling Dawn, this is literally the Howl, $1,500 sticker. Contraband. They are contraband rarity stickers. So this would be another example of a passive investment. You buy it, you set it, you forget it, and it's just like you don't even have to like actively look at the price. It'll rise on its own the longer you hold on to it. Okay, so these are all great investments, but they're expensive. So what I'm suggesting is take a look at the Community Capsule 1. This sticker capsule also tends to be very, very cyclical in nature. If you look at it, it pumps up, then after a few weeks it goes down, then it pumps up, it goes back down, pumps up. The only issue is from these peaks, this is what, July, August, September, December, January, February, okay? This is literally a year, chat. So it may take a year from like the absolute, from one peak to another, it could take a year. And from some bottoms, it may take like this, from this peak to this peak, it may be 2 years. So like it's not perfect. So your job when investing in these is to find a relative bottom. It doesn't have to be the exact bottom. Find a relative bottom somewhere, which is, we're looking like we're pretty close to a relative bottom. It looks like it bounced off of some line here and it's starting to make its way back. I'm not saying that you should be buying hand over fist right now. I'm just giving you guys an example. If you've ever thought about investing in these, now would not be a bad time to snag a couple of them and see what happens. Maybe in about a couple months, there's another spike, and that's when you cash out. Again, these are just options. I'm not telling you you have to buy them right now. I'm just giving you guys the sauce of how to play these investments. They are very cyclical in nature. And for example, this particular capsule Community Capsule has the swag foil. It has the flammable foil. These stickers, I'd have to double check and see how they look in CS2 because foils actually look pretty decent in CS2. So maybe they have a glow up and perhaps they may have an increase in demand. You never know. They're actually not that bad. Like the swag sticker, I'd have to see how it looks in CS2, but I would say it looks pretty darn good. And they're pretty expensive stickers, pretty good. Bomb Doge, meme, sticker. So yeah, the whole point is these items are rare. These items are hard to get, the capsules are hard to be dropped, low supply, cheap price, easy to, get people to start buying them because, well, normally what happens is a bunch of like rich people just start buying them out of nowhere. Maybe there's like a sudden burst of demand. And I'm not here advocating that you should all buy them right now so that we can pump up the price. This is not what I'm saying. The whole point of this stream, chat, is the following. If you're going to take anything from this stream, is this. We know from history that these items are cyclical in nature. They are easily quote unquote manipulated, or a lot of like the demand can spike at any moment, right? We've seen that through the charts. So what I'm arguing, or what I'm saying, is here's what you can do. You can do a little bit of a slow approach. Every now and then, if you have a couple extra dollars on your Steam wallet balance, maybe you buy a capsule. You accumulate these capsules slowly when nobody is noticing them, talking about them, buying them, right? And then when everyone starts talking about them, which usually happens when a lot of people start buying them in bulk and prices start going higher, that is when you use that opportunity to cash out your investments because you bought when nobody touched them, when nobody was talking about them, silently been stacking them, and then you cash out during the next peak, next spike. That is what I am advocating, and that is what I would say would be an alternative investment. Again, not a core investment. It's not guaranteed profit or get rich quick scheme, like none of that stuff. I'm just giving you guys options, different ways to make money. I personally have done this before. It has worked successfully on a number of these items. I used to do it on the sticker capsule too. I would buy when the price, was low and nobody was talking about them, $8, $9, and then it spikes to like 25, 26. Pretty easy profit. I had to do nothing but just buy, monitor the price, and sell when it starts rising. So it's a very simple investment. You buy when nobody's touching them, and you sell when everybody's talking about them. And for the most part, these sticker capsules do tend to rise and go higher. These charts look pretty healthy, if you ask me. And I've also done this with the stupid banana sticker. So like you can do it with stickers too. You don't even have to do it just with the capsules. You can do it with the stickers themselves. Like I remember a couple of months ago, I think I bought. This was January of this year, actually. I bought a bunch of stupid bananas for like $25, right? Nobody was really talking about them, and then they started spiking to like $50, $60, so I started cashing out. So you could do that too with the stickers. Right now, though, the stupid banana is kind of pricey, so I would probably wait to see if it can go back down a little bit more, see what happens, see if it breaks any of this support, if you want to call it, see what happens. But yeah, just understand that these items, they're very cyclical. They're very like low supply, decent demand. They do look good, and yeah, they're very volatile. As you can see here, they have spikes, dips, and you just got to be able to time in and out your investments. Okay, so that's the content I wanted to give you guys on these sticker capsules, and hopefully it makes sense. Let me quickly answer a couple questions for you guys. Like I said, I don't want the stream to be super excessive, super long. I want it to get in, get out. Let's do some Q&A right here. Forrest, welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're doing well. I just bought 100 Apex hauls under 10 USD. What are your thoughts? That's awesome, man. Under 10 Apex is a vibe. What is going to happen with Paris sticker capsules? They're going to eventually get removed from the store. So would you recommend investing in sticker capsule 1 and 2? Sorry, I wasn't listening. Listen, what I'm saying is if you want an alternative investment, less than 5% of your net worth, a small chunk, maybe take a look at a sticker capsule 1 or a sticker capsule 2. Buy a couple of them now when they seem to have bottomed, and then wait, hold on to them, Don't expect something crazy from them right away. It could take a couple weeks, could take a couple months, could take a year. I just don't know. This is more of a speculative play, but it is one of those things that we don't know when it's happening. We just know that it inevitably spikes again. So like, how should I say this? Right now, you shouldn't be focusing on this, but after Paris is over, after you're done investing in Paris, after you've made, the sale ends and now we're busy, focusing on trying to find other opportunities, this is just another opportunity, another investment that you can put 5% of your capital to work. This is what I'm saying. Like, you don't have to actively be buying right now. Hopefully that makes sense. Makes me want to open them, not gonna lie. Oh, and another thing, you actually have to use keys to open these. So, these things are open through keys. You have to pay money to open these capsules. So like, they're hard to unbox and they're hard to get. They're hard to drop and unbox, which is pretty crazy. Okay. No, I mean, are the Paris gonna rise up in price? I would say yes. Once the sale ends, they should start rising. Why Paris Hollow dropped today? I am scared. You should not be scared when prices are dropping. You should be very excited. Like, I see opportunity when prices go down. When the MAUs and the Apex and they all crash, I'm actually like getting very excited so I can buy more at low prices. Are you buying anything right now, or are you just waiting for the sale to end? Me personally, at this point in time, I spent most of the money that I've wanted to use. At this point, I'll probably try to sell a couple more items and then use that money to invest, but maybe if the prices keep crashing, maybe I'll inject some more money into the game. I don't know. We'll see. Should I sell my Revolution case and Dreams and Nightmares case to buy Paris? Yes, you should. That is a no-brainer. You get these cases as weekly drops. They are new. They're common. Everybody gets them. Sell them while they're expensive. Use the profits for something that's limited time like Paris. Absolutely. Let's see here. More Paris stickers or blue phosphor? See, I did both. I have tons of Paris stickers and I have a blue phosphor. So it's up to you. If you want to diversify into skins, that's totally valid. If you want to go all in on stickers, that's also very valid. Understand that the risk reward is better for Paris stickers. They have more potential to stonk, but they also have a potential to, well, take longer, I guess, because, CS2 comes out, what if the skins start stonking and the Paris stickers start crashing? That is a scenario that could happen. You have to be willing to weather the storm when it comes to stickers. Meanwhile, the blue phosphor is just such a godly skin. I have both, honestly. Dexter sticker is an all-time low, fair enough. Let's see. Fano. Should I invest in Stockholm 2021? I would be an investor in Stockholm. Absolutely. I love Stockholm. Dexter is all-time low. Smash the like button, boys. Don't be a ninja watcher. I bought dual Berettas Emerald and Mac 10 Fade with 00 float for market price. Was that a W? Yes, that was a juicer W. Good for you, man. I bought 40. Fades are good. Emeralds are good. Shiny. I like that. Let's see here. Let's see here. Hey, Fano, I bought 40 mouse papers. I don't know if papers will do much, though. No, papers historically have returned very good returns. So mouse papers, how much did you pay for them? Mouse papers are currently 10 cents on the market. Papers are solid, man. Like, yeah, they're dipping a little bit in value. If you can get them for 9 cents, 10 cents, that's amazing. Papers are good. What do you think about glitter stickers from Paris? I don't know which one is good for investing. I only bought 7 of each from each tournament. I only bought 7. Glitters are fine. Glitters are good. You have to pick the right ones. I tend to go with what has been working and what has potential. So if you're looking for some glitter suggestions, maybe take a look at some like 9 glitters, Pain glitters, ITB glitters, Fnatic glitters, Apex glitters, Mouse glitters, those types of teams. 10 cents each. Yes, sir. Nikitas, welcome to the stream, man. Are there any investments that are worth getting with profit in less than a month, even if it's just small profit, better than having drops in my inventory? Tanzo, that's not the right way to invest, or the right way of thinking. You shouldn't be looking at it like, where do I invest so that in a month from now I will make profit? If you want to make profit in a month and you want something that quote unquote will be guaranteed profit, or blah blah blah, look into the stock market, equities, United States stock market exchange. Take a look at maybe trading, look at momentum, the charts, do all that stuff. That's not what CSGO is for. If you want something in a month that has potential to rise, the best thing to do is probably buy the Paris capsules, because in a month from now, the capsules will get removed from the store. We know for a fact that's going to happen. And one of two things will happen. When they get removed, they either start stonking because everybody starts panic buying, and then you can probably cash out if you really, really don't want to lose money, or they start crashing or dumping after the sale ends because there's something new in the game, there's an operation, there's something new, and people focus on that instead. And then over time, over the next couple of weeks and months, people eventually start opening these capsules, start crafting with these stickers and blah, 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 and prices tend to naturally trend higher. If that doesn't sound good to you, like I said, if you want some fast returns, stock market is the way to go. Yeah, you could start like flipping stuff. You could do some flipping stuff. I tend to avoid that. You know, you buy a skin off of a third-party site, you flip it on the Steam market for higher price, take that money, put it into like some stickers or Paris stuff. That's totally valid strategy. Sticker Capsule 2 is a great example of like a flipping. You buy low and you wait and then you sell high. But the problem with the Sticker Capsule 2 is you just don't know when the next spike will be. You don't know if it's gonna ever spike again. Well, actually, no, that's not true. You know by looking at the charts that it's bound to happen. You just don't know how long it will take to happen. So it's one of those like more speculative 5% and under portfolio allocations. Hey Fano, you didn't answer yesterday on Twitter when I tagged you for the question. I didn't answer on Twitter. I thought I answered. Are you talking about the Rio glitter? I thought I answered that one. Just wanted to get some skins, and I thought I could get a bit more if I invest a bit. I mean, if you're looking for some skins, there's tons of skins out there. Like, the Gamma Doppler is a really good skin in CS2. Blue Phosphor is really good. Speaking of which, I need to trade it onto my account. Depends on how much money that you're willing to allocate for CS2. You know, whiteouts are good. Skins are solid, man. Skins are solid for CS2 investing. Is it worth keeping gold mouse from Paris or exchanging it for gold and or for glitter and hollow? Hard to say. Personally, I would exchange it for glitter just because it's more unique. There's only one glitter mouse borderless sticker in existence, and that's the Paris. So I probably would go with the glitter personally. Hey Fano, I have $2 to spend right now. What should I buy? Just got drops from the in-game. Okay, $2 to spend. Probably just go into capsules, Paris capsules, or cheap paper stickers like Mouse papers, Apex papers, ITB papers, maybe Apex glitters, stuff like that. ITB glitters. Can't I have your Huntsman knife Doppler for free? What? Oh, my Huntsman knife? My Huntsman knife Doppler is not for sale. Sorry. I unboxed this knife, and one of my friends' mobile, it has a name tag on it. So unfortunately, whoop, that's going to demonetize me. Unfortunately, I cannot. What happened to the Apex hollow prices? I wasn't active the last few days. They went down. Hobby alert, yes sir. But this was a long time ago, before I started taking investing like seriously, right? Because you got your DMs closed. Yeah, my DMs are closed. You can just at me on Twitter. What kind of question do you have? Or you can email me for like business stuff. If I want to use stickers for a craft, is it okay to overpay? You have to be very careful which stickers you overpay for. Make sure they're old, make sure they're not scratched, make sure they're hollows, generally speaking. I have $60 US. Should I buy a skin or use the rest for stickers? $60 isn't something like too meaningful for like a skin, so I would probably just put that money into stickers just because historically they tend to multiply more, so it may as well just put that 60 into a cheap sticker that does a 3x, 4x, you know, historically. Amphibious gloves will warn for a play skin. Is that an L? I don't want to lose money. But see, here's the thing, Stash World. All of you guys are saying I don't want to lose money, but like investing is all about losing money or making money, not being static. If you don't want to lose money, put your money in the bank. However, guess what? You're going to lose money because that money is going to get inflated away due to inflation. So like you will be losing money. So no matter what you do, you have to put your money into something that has the chance to lose you money. Like, people need to get out of the mindset that, oh, I'm scared to lose money. I don't want to ever lose money. You will lose money on paper. The question is, do you respond emotionally or do you think logically and hold on for the longer term? And don't just hope and wait that it goes up in a month or so. That's not investing. That's speculating. That's gambling. That's, you know, that's wishful thinking. W, yes, let's get some W's in the chat, boys. Yeah, absolutely. So no. Is that a good play skin? The amphibious gloves, to answer your question seriously, is a great glove. Blue, high tier, good case, get it in a good float. I consider that a W. But what I don't want you to do is to be afraid if the price drops $100, $200 and panic sell. No, because you still have a great glove that you use on a daily basis as a play skin, and you hold on to it, you know? Like, that's what it is. So, personally, I mean, listen, I bought this knife for $1,600, chat. I traded, like, a Medusa for it or something. I don't know. Is the Medusa more than this knife, or is the knife more than the Medusa? I could care less. I have a knife that I bought because I enjoy this knife. I use it every day. It is a beautiful knife. It's a great collector's item, investment, whatever you want to call it. I don't care what the price is. If it dips $1,000, I'm still gonna keep it. If it goes up $1,000, I'll probably still keep it. You know, I mean, I didn't buy it for like an investment. I bought it to park my money into something. And yes, if the price temporarily dips, who cares? I'm still gonna be able to sleep well at night, and I'm gonna move on to other investments. Like, you need to understand, skins are not going to make you rich. Repeat after me, chat. Skins are not going to make you rich. It's the stickers, the cases, the capsules, the miscellaneous items that will make you rich. Picking a skin is like throwing darts on a dartboard. You may get lucky, you know, if you hold long enough, sure, it'll eventually rise, but like, it's not going to give you the same level of return as something that is limited time only, in the game for only a couple months, is a commodity, meaning that a lot of people like it, looks all the same, and like I said, you know, supply and demand. So whenever I buy my skins, I don't buy them because I'm hoping that I'm gonna make a quick 2x flip. No. Listen, there's a time and a place for that strategy, but it's not the strategy that I'm preaching, and it's certainly not an investing strategy. If you want to be called an investor, don't do that, you know? Understand the differences. Let's get those likes up. Yes, sir, boys. Hit the like button, boys. I'm giving you guys the secret sauce. Skins are not going to make you rich. Skins are going to keep your money in the game and keep you wealthy, but they're not going to make you rich. If you are already rich, you're going to have nice skins. Understand the difference, chat. If you already have wealth and money and you already are rich, you will have nice skins. If you are a rich person, you have nice skins. Skins will keep your money. They will hold their value, generally speaking, long term if you pick the right skins. And over the long term, they rise, but they're not going to make you rich. If you want to be rich, you want to buy stickers, you want to buy capsules, you want to buy these miscellaneous items like cases, or some other items like agents, pins, patches, what have you, right? Like, pretty much you want to focus on 6 to 12 months, yearly investments into the trending operations, the trending majors. That's where you're going to make the most of your money investing in CSGO. Can you get lucky and we enter a market bubble where skin prices go up 2x, 3x because CS2 comes out, or because, I don't know, like crypto starts rallying or something? Like, yeah, skins can double, triple in value. They've done it in the past, but they don't do it to the same extent as cheap stickers that are new, like Paris or Antwerp or Stockholm, just to name a few. So understand, guys, the difference. You make money through your investments, through stickers, cases, capsules, and then once you've made your riches, you park that money into something that's expensive, that will keep its value, and you don't care that if it drops $200 or if it drops $1,000, you still keep it because the fundamentals are still intact. You hopefully put it into an item that has strong fundamentals, that is good, that is gonna grow over time, still gonna be desirable, still everybody likes it. You know, that's what you hope, and that's what you do. So hopefully that makes sense. Sorry if I'm preaching, if I sound angry. I'm just very passionate about this. I'm not yelling at anyone. I just want to make it crystal clear. Holding up the correct items might get you rich. Again, I don't operate on mights, coulds, shoulds, woulds. I operate on what is and what has previously worked and what will continue to work. Hey, Fano, I didn't receive the skin. What skin? What are you talking about? Are you talking about the community post stuff? Did you left a comment on yeah, I still need to send it out. My apologies, man. I've been very bogged down. I will send it to you. Sorry. Can't you buy me? I'll have to set a reminder to look at that. What do you think about the Game Religion haul that keeps rising right now? Perfect. Great. I'm actually kind of tempted to sell a little bit, but honestly, I don't know. I'm a long-term investor. I kind of want to keep it for the long term. But see, here's the thing, chat. Here's the thing. I am fully aware that right now, if I do not sell my Gamer Legion holo, I have hundreds of these Gamer Legion holos. I am up more than double my money. I am fully aware, chat. In fact, I could probably crash the market, at least on Steam, if I sell them today. If I start selling, I could probably crash the market, literally. I can actually cause a crash if I wanted to. However, I am aware, chat, that that now is a decent time to sell, considering that I bought it when it was very, very low in the $5 range, and I've doubled, more than doubled my money. I could easily cash out and get a very simple 2x in only a couple months, right? I could totally do that. It is in my right to do so if I wanted to, right? However, I'm seeing the bigger picture, and I'm willing to forego the temporary profits, forgo the trade, because that would be a trade, not an investment, chat. Me selling right now, a month or two after I bought, especially when the sale is still live, before it has ended, that would be considered a trade, not an investment. I bought it low because I saw that it had fundamentals, a good, good momentum, people were buying, there's still hype, and I sell a couple months later, what have you, at a profit, short-term gain. That's a trade. So, I could do that, and it actually is probably the smart thing to do. Whenever you get some quick, easy gains, you exit the position, you get some money, wait for it to go back down, you re-enter. But that's very risky in the sense you have to time it correctly. Nobody's that good at timing the market correctly. For all I know, it could have another spike tomorrow, so I really don't know. So, me personally, I'm more than happy to just hold on to it. If the price crashes down to $9, I'm still gonna sleep well at night. If it crashes down to $6, I'm still going to sleep well tonight because I have other investments, other assets, and if it does go back down to $5 to what I paid for, I will buy more of it. I will double down on it. I believe in this sticker. That's why. And that's the difference between, a smart investor and, an inexperienced emotional investor. So, yeah, the smart thing to do, probably to sell some right now, but again, at the end of the day, that's not for me. I'm not a trader. Thank you for the advice. Yeah, sure. Honestly, if you really want to, maybe cash out a little bit. Maybe sell one or two if you really want to, but at the end of the day, it's not, you shouldn't be thinking about it that way. Student loans are the lowest interest rate you'll find for a loan. Don't even talk about student loans, man. That's such a, I'm not even gonna get into that. Why is the sale not ending? Because Valve are greedy. They want to make money. Hold on until you get the simple 10x. Except it's not that simple because you're gonna have to weather a lot of storm. You're gonna have to weather a lot of volatility. You're gonna have to weather a lot of negative, angry people on the internet telling you your investments are trash. But at the end of the day, you hold on to it. You don't listen to any of the naysayers, and you prove the haters wrong. So it's not really as simple as they say, or as you might think. Fano, I just recovered my account with 50 breakout cases. That's a W, man. Good for you. Those are good cases. Hold on to them. Hey, Fano, I'm Brazilian and I enjoy your videos. Appreciate that, man. Thank you. Thank you. Ayo, Dennis, welcome to the stream. What is the best low-cost investment? Right now, Capsules. After that, it's probably stickers, cheap stickers, glitters, papers, Mouse, Apex, ITB. Apart from that, maybe some packages, Mirage souvenir packages. Paris, they have to be Paris. Don't go for any of the other majors. Go for Paris. Why Paris? They're newest, freshest, cheapest. I'm not Brazilian, but I still enjoy your videos. Thank you so much, Lewin. Appreciate that. Thanks so much for your advice. I'm here to help you guys out, man. I'm here to help you guys make money, give you guys my thoughts, my takes, my opinions, what I'm doing, and hopefully it can translate to you guys. I can help you out, and we can all make some money. Paris stickers for CS2 investment or skins? I would like to do a little bit of both, but at the moment, I would prioritize Paris stickers. Is now a good time to buy Mouse Hollow Stockholm? I mean, what's your time horizon? Like, if you see the sticker going back to $100, then yeah, now is a good time. But honestly, I mean, it really does rely heavily on what happens with Copenhagen, what happens with Mouse. So, I would say probably not, but you can buy a couple, I guess. Best cheap skins to invest in right now. Be on the lookout. Make sure you're subscribed. I think I'll have a video out for you soon about like cheap skins. Didn't I do a stream earlier this week on cheap skins, chat? I thought I did, but maybe I'll make it into a video. Press 1 in the chat if you guys would rather you watch a short video, like a couple minutes or however long, of just like me listing out a couple of like the highlights from the stream of like the best skins that are cheap, I guess. Let's see. Didn't we do that? We did best CSGO skins to buy before CS2 comes out. I'll probably make a video later. I'll probably make a video on that. Do you think Valve are gonna do borderless stickers on the next major? Probably not. Yippee stream about DreamHack, totally not another manipulation. Wait, what? That was yesterday's stream where we talked about DreamHack. Hey bro, did you get some news from your Chinese contact? I did not. I'm gonna have to ping him. Thank you so much to remind me. To be honest, the streams are better because we can interact with others. That's true. Streams are definitely a vibe. I love these YouTube streams. Do you think that a new overpass operation will come out? Like a collection? Yes. Yes, I do. And if you want to learn more about it, go to my YouTube channel, click on the videos tab, watch this video. New skins are coming to CSGO. So 4 days ago, guys, watch this. New skins are on the way. What is the best capsule to invest in right now? Probably Paris. After Paris, probably Antwerp Legends. After the Antwerp Legends, probably Stockholm Challengers. The order isn't that relevant, but those three are super nice. Darn it, I thought it was again because of the thumbnail. The thumbnail is actually not DreamHack, believe it or not. Here, I have the thumbnail up for you. This is not DreamHack, guys. If you look at the thumbnail, this is the thumbnail of Sticker Capsule 1 and Sticker Capsule 2. There is a clear difference if you look closely, guys. DreamHack is orange, I'll give you that, but it's not the same. Here is how DreamHack looks, guys, and as you can see, the price is slowly starting to go down. So if you have a DreamHack capsule, may not be a bad idea to cash out while you're ahead. But anyways, that's for another topic, another pro tip, you know, sell the rip, buy the dip. But yeah, this one is a DreamHack, and then the one in my thumbnail is this non-DreamHack. It is a capsule that has a lock on it, meaning you have to unbox it with a key. It's one of the first capsules that came into the game. You're good, comrade, you're good. Would it be smart if I was to sell 50% of my Paris investments at a 2x and then the rest at 3 to 4x? Would that be smart? Bob Chen, I would say, here's the thing. Here's the thing. If you do that, understand the following, that if the sale ends tomorrow and you've already cashed out half of your money at a 2x profit, which is good, don't get me wrong, 2x in 2 months is very, very good returns. So if you do that, you're gonna forego the possibility, you're gonna miss out potentially on having way more profit later on down the road. And if you're okay with that, if you're okay with taking that money, that 2x that was pretty easy for you to do, right? Holding on to it for only 2 months. And if you're okay with that, then do it. Nothing wrong with that. But what are you gonna use the money for? Like, skins are still expensive. Post CS2 hype. They're still expensive. So where are you putting your money? Paris is the place to be putting your money. Or maybe some other cheap, you know, tournaments, like stickers from like Antwerp or Stockholm, or maybe some older majors like, I don't know, Boston or Atlanta. Because I'll be doing videos later this week talking about like alternative, like old majors, because apparently people are looking for alternative means of investing. You know, it used to be where the old dogs, the old majors tended to give us the best returns. Then in recent years, it was always the new majors, you know, the new stickers that came out, the borderless stickers. That's how you made your money. But who knows? Maybe in the future, people are going to go back to the old OG majors like Cologne 14 or, you know, Cato 15, DreamHack 14, Atlanta 17. You know, maybe they'll go on to some of those older majors. And I'll make an analysis video on that soon. What do you think about Antwerp Legends capsule? It's the best capsule from Antwerp. If I'm gonna be dead honest with you guys, if I'm gonna be buying Antwerp capsules or stickers, it's gonna be from Legends. Easy. What is the best capsule to invest from Paris? Probably the Contenders, because it contains Maos. What's the best Paris capsule? Yep, probably Contenders. I love the OG vibes. Yes, sir. How would you invest $100 in stickers? $100 in stickers? I'd probably, well, again, full disclosure, I'm invested in these, so I'm obviously biased. I'd probably put like a decent chunk into Maos papers, Maos glitters, a decent chunk into Apex glitters, some ITB glitters, and that's probably it. Those three are pretty solid. If you're talking about like stickers, for only $100. You could buy some hollows, but you don't have to. Why are Paris stickers falling in price right now? I mean, because more people are selling than buying. More people are trying to cash out, lock in those gains. They're asking the same questions as some of you guys in the chat, saying like, should I sell now? Do I lock into X? And then when they end up pulling the trigger and selling, well, prices go down. So it's normal, it's healthy. Like, the sale hasn't ended yet. So if you want to lock in those easy 2x gains, like, by all means do it. Just know that you're going to tank the price, which is fine, I guess, because, you know, every man or woman for themselves, I guess. But, I don't know, that's more of a trade than an investment. Yeah. What is the best case to invest in? I have tons of videos on cases. Go to my YouTube channel, click on Shorts, and CSGO investments that could make you rich. Watch this video. CSGO investments that could make you rich. It's a Shorts video. Make sure you're on your phone when you watch this so that you get the best experience. Just start scrolling on your phone. Very, very cool. Binge watch these videos on your phone, guys, and you'll be good to go. There's tons of good cases out there. Go for like old cases that have good knives, OG knives, Doppler knives, butterfly knives, stuff like that. Discontinued knives. Let's see. Does Max Gold Rio prove that the Rio has low quantity and it's a good investment? It's not all about the quantity, Max. Demand is more important than supply. If you're gonna take anything, if you're gonna learn anything about like investing in CS markets, it's demand will always be greater than supply. You can have one item in CSGO, one in existence, one for one, and if nobody's gonna be buying it from you, you can say that the price is 100,000, a million, 3 trillion, but if nobody's gonna buy it from you, I don't care what you set the price to, it's not worth that much. So it's only it's only worth as much as somebody is willing to actually pay you for and actually have a transaction. So at the end of the day, demand is what will dictate the price increase. If suddenly everybody starts buying a particular asset or sticker or item, yeah, the price is going to go higher because more people are buying than selling, and there's a huge demand for it, and people are taking it off the market. So demand is better than supply. Keep that in mind when you're making your investments. Can I link you to the Twitter post for my spread analysis question? Just at me on Twitter, fano CSGO. What do you think about Katowice 2019 Minor Challengers autographs? I tend to stay away from autograph capsules, but is that the one with Dick Stacy in it? Maybe. May not be a bad idea. But you said very cases on the video. What was the best case to invest in? Yeah, but see, here's the thing, Santi. Like, nobody has a crystal ball. I can't sit here and say, okay, let me look into the future. Okay, in the next 3 months, the Shattered Web case is going to give you the best return possible. I cannot tell you that with a straight face and, like, guarantee you that. So, for me to say here, like, the absolute best case to buy right now is this one and only this one, I can't tell you that. So I'm going to give you guys some options, and then you guys make your decisions, whatever resonates well with you, whatever you think will be right. And again, like, you don't have to be 100% right. You don't have to pick the exact best case. You can still make profit in other cases that are similar to the best case, quote unquote, and will still rise. Hopefully that makes sense. Hey Fano, I recently moved to live on my own. I work 24/7 and I barely earn any money. I have a lot of things that I can barely afford. So that if you have a cheap skin, could you give me one? That would be nice. A cheap skin. All right, Nikitas, what I'll tell you is the following. One, I do tend to do giveaways on my streams and on my YouTube channel through the community tab. So if you guys are unaware, I have a community tab that I post every day talking about like stickers and polls, and I gave away a skin 17 hours ago. If you had participated, you may have had a chance to win it. So subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for videos and live streams and community posts that do giveaways. So that's one way that you can get free skins from me, at least, right? But the goal of my YouTube channel isn't to give away free stuff. The goal of my channel is to give away free knowledge and to give away my experience and to help you get the skins yourself, not have it dropped to you through a care package from somebody across the world. So I'm not here to give out free handouts. I'm here to educate. I'm here to entertain. I'm here to help you guys as like a peer, as a friend, if you want to call me that. Like, I'm here to help you be the better version of yourself. And I'll be honest with you, if I give you a free skin, you're not going to get any, like, you're not going to better yourself in any way from me giving that to you, if that makes sense. Like, you need to do it yourself. You need to be like everyone else, invest like everyone else, work hard like everyone else, and then build yourself from the ground up. So my answer to you is I'm not going to give you a free skin, but what I will say is I'll give you the knowledge, the expertise, the motivation, the encouragement. I'll give you all of that, and you will get that free skin yourself by doing your investments, doing your diligence, playing the game, working hard, getting a job, and all that stuff. So hopefully that makes sense. All right, motivational speech, boys. Yeah, exactly. I have $3.25 on my Steam on what do I need to invest. Right now, we're living in a time where, well, we have tons of opportunities to invest in CSGO, and I'll tell you what, historically speaking, during a operation, during a major sticker sale, those are the two best times to be investing. So right now, with $3.25, yes, you start small with what little money you have. You take that 3 cents, you put it into a mouse paper, you put it into a mouse glitter, you put it into capsules if you want to be safer, quote unquote. You put it into contenders capsules, and then you wait, and then you wait, and you keep playing the game, and you get more case drops, and you sell those case drops, and you use that money and buy more stickers and more capsules, and then an operation comes out, and you buy the operation pass, and you do the missions, and then you get the cases, and you don't open the cases like a gambler, you sell those cases, and then you get more money, so, and then the next operation comes around, the next major comes around in March, you take that money, you buy even more capsules, even more stickers, and it compounds, and it grows, and it grows, and it grows, and then in a couple of months, couple of years, you're gonna have even more money to invest, and more money, maybe you get a better career, better job over the time, you can put more money into the game, and you keep growing your wealth, and that's how you do it. It's slow, it's not fun, it's not sexy, but it works, and that's what investing is all about. Being diligent, being committed, and working hard. No free handouts. There's no such thing as a free lunch, chat. Do you have an investing Excel spreadsheet? Yes, I do. It's on my Patreon with my full spreadsheet, all of my buys and sells, link in the description, and yeah, 6-figure portfolio. Do you think that the new operation is coming soon? I have seen some videos saying that there are some leaks. Yes, there is a potential for an operation. I do think that we will see an Overpass collection updated, Inferno collection updated, and Italy as the 3 operation collections for the next operation. He's just saying the truth. Yes, sir. I'm so hyped seeing Sticker Caps 2 in thumbnail because I got one in an in-game drop and I was so shocked. Did you sell it or did you keep it? That is the million-dollar question. Fano done become a motivational speaker. Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. Do you think that RMR investments are worth it? There's a lot of people that say that it is worth it, and I'm just gonna say that RMR it's a hit or a miss, honestly. Like, if you do invest in RMR, please do your homework. Invest in items that a lot of people like. They have good volume, meaning like a lot of people are exchanging and trading them. You like the way it looks and you think other people like the way they look. The team maybe doesn't have many stickers, maybe is not going to come back, going to struggle to come back, has a unique logo, unique design. Go for those types of teams. I have $3.25 on my Steam. What do I invest in? I think I already answered that, but if I were you, I would invest probably in team sticker capsules. Or mouse, papers, glitters. That's what I would do. Very simple. Again, not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing, what I would recommend to myself. Do you think RMR investment is worth it? I do. I do think there's potential. Hey, Fano, I just bought a field-tested lore. Good for you. Congrats. Always wanted one to play with. Hope that it will rise when the Cavalry War comes out. Do you think it's an okay buy? Yeah, D-lore for the long term is a solid purchase. Dragon lore, Howl, Vulcan, Fire Serpent, Fade, Desert Blaze, Icarus Fell, Blue Phosphor, Hot Rod, Akihabara Accept, Op Fade, Op Prince, Op Gungnir, Azimuth Op, Graphite, any of those skins that I just listed, solid skins, not necessarily to make you rich, but to keep your wealth, to keep your money, to grow your money slowly over time, stable growth. You park some of your money in there, and then you use the majority of your funds to keep investing, keep compounding. Hopefully that makes sense. Good evening, brother. How you doing, man? It's much earlier than your stream. Good to see you. Hey, of course, Nassim, of course. Yo, Nassim, you missed out on a lot of juice, my guy. Hit the like button and rewatch the beginning of the stream. We gave away a lot of good content today. If 2024 major stickers are not borderless, how much do you expect Stockholm and Antwerp to rise? So if they are not borderless, so that means they're bordered, I do expect Stockholm to shoot up a lot, Antwerp to shoot up a lot, the Cloud9 shoot up a lot, Paris, Apex, ITB, all those Furias should shoot up a lot. So to answer your question, I don't want to speculate the exact price, but what I will say is that, yeah, it will go higher. Absolutely. Why Stockholm, Antwerp, and Paris don't destroy each other? Because they look amazing, because some of the holos have slight differences, because they are borderless, and because with the limited time only supply, they get constantly unboxed, constantly get crafted, and yeah, it's just solid, man. Would you prefer lots of mouse papers or some mouse glitters? I do both. I have lots of mouse papers and I have lots of mouse glitters. So I'm doing both. You can do 50-50. You can pick one or the other. Just understand that if you go with papers, you're gonna have to buy more of them. So like it's gonna be a hassle to like transfer them in and out of storage containers. Or you can just go with glitters because there's fewer of them that you can buy because they're more expensive. Either one works just as well. If the paper does well, the glitter is gonna do just as well. If the holo of mouse starts stonking, mouse glitter will also start stonking, chat. So please understand that. You don't have to only do papers. You don't have to only do glitters. The one thing that matters is the price that you pay for it. Make sure you get in below market price. Don't rush to just buy blindly off of the market. Use your buy orders and buy low. Lowest price wins. Do I need storage containers? I don't have one yet. Yes. If you're going to go with papers, you're probably going to need storage containers because you have to buy many of them. So yeah, be careful with that. Keep a Cologne 2014 for a long time or sell it to invest in Paris capsules. Now see, here's the thing, Joe. I'm going to give you some advice, and then a month from now, I can already see this happening. Like, you're going to come back to my stream and say, hey, Fano, you gave me the wrong advice. How could you? And I'm going to tell you, well, I can't see into the future, but, I mean, again, not financial advice. What I would recommend is, yes, I would probably sell that Cologne 14 and put the money into Paris. Why? Because Paris is new, Paris is on sale, Paris is cheap. Above all, it is cheap, the cheapest it will ever be. That being said, because of all of that, there's a huge supply. Meaning, if depending on what you invest in, if you invest in the capsules, it may take quite a bit of time for them to get unboxed, for them to start rising in price. In the meantime, you may get a DreamHack 2.0 event where some large fish, whales, whatever you want to call them, start manipulating or buying up the price of the Cologne stickers, and then boom, the Cologne starts rising all of a sudden because everybody loves Cologne because, you know, they've only been out for what, like 9 years, and suddenly everybody starts discovering that they've been a closet fan of the Cologne stickers, and then yeah, you're gonna come back and say, hey Fano, that was a dumb decision, I should have kept my sticker. So at the end of the day, you can't make these predictions, but if you go off of fundamentals, yes, the smart thing to do is to sell that Cologne and put it into Paris. Hopefully that makes sense. Just stocked up on Paris stickers, W, man. That's a W. Which one of the team capsule stickers would you recommend? I'm personally going with the Contenders. I think Contenders has potential. When it's ideal to sell the sticker capsule too, or have you already said that from the timestamp? Yeah, GameCube. Go, like, here are the notes from my stream. Highly recommend you rewatch the first like 15, 20, 30 minutes of the stream. 2x speed, do what you gotta do. Just rewatch the stream where we talk about the sticker capsules. Those are, you have to be an active watcher. You have to like actively monitor the price. Thank you so much. Yeah, no problem, man. What do you think about buying patches right now? And if so, would you recommend picking some up? I talked about patches in yesterday's stream, I think, chat. So if you go to my stream, actually no, 2 days ago. Wait, was it yesterday? No, yesterday, 2 days ago. How to make money from Csgo skins 2 days ago, chat. Watch this stream for patches. We definitely had a segment there to talk about patches, but to answer your question, yeah, patches are, not every patch is created equal. Some patches are better than others. I tend to prefer the team patches and the patch packs as well. Okay. I'm scared of selling, I'm scared of investing after selling 7,000 Antwerp capsules for 20 USD each. Why did you sell for 20 USD each? Also, Space Boy, my Discord server is currently offline. I am in the process of giving you guys a new public server. It is coming very soon. Be on the lookout for that. I will make a post about it in the next few days. Right now, we only have access to the private Discord. I'm scared of investing after selling 7,000. Why did you sell at 20 cents each? That's very, very low. Like, you sold it during the sale? Because the last time Antwerp was 20 cents, that was during the sale, Antwerp sale, or after the sale, slightly. So, like, you sold at a loss, or you sold at... I would be careful. Go for contenders. Go for the contenders. Team Capsules. Hey, Fano, somebody offered me mobile gloves for Shadow Dagger's Gamma Doppler. Do you think that the Doppler will rise, or is it a good trade? Personally, I would rather you keep your Shadow Dagger's Gamma Doppler, especially if it comes in a good pattern or a good condition. Dopplers, Gamma Dopplers over moguls any day of the week. Is it good to save active duty pools in inventory or sell them to invest? At this point in time format, because we have the Paris sticker sale live, and stickers are technically supposed to be at their lowest point, most stickers at least, right? I would argue that right now it would be smarter for you to sell those cases that you get for free and use the money to buy as many capsules, as many stickers as you possibly can, because like I said, the sale is going to end in a few days, few weeks, the sale's going to end, and you'll still be able to get those same cases. But what you won't get is the opportunity to keep buying at these low levels. So make most of the time that you have right now. Okay, chat. I didn't want to make this stream too long. Most of my YouTube streams are about an hour long, so I think I'll wrap it up here. I'll be live again tomorrow. We'll do some Q&A. Maybe we'll look at some skins or some inventories. We'll see how that goes. Chat, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure if you joined late to rewind the stream and watch the first 30-40 minutes where we talked about the sticker capsules. Those were some good, juicy conversations we had. Some good notes about how you guys can make some more, diversification and like look at other parts of the market, other ways, other capsules to make money. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, chat. Enjoy the weather, go outside, you know, go to the gym, touch some grass, hug your loved ones, have some fun. It's the weekend, relax, you guys earned it. Happy investing, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Good night, chat. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe on your way out. Make sure you guys are subbed. Bye-bye.